and welcome back to another video. Welcome to CryptoKoinz. I'm gonna be going over my TIME Wonderland position. I literally bought this position a week ago. Today is November 5th, and I bought it with $1,000, and I bought it through Coinbase, the Avalanche network, and I transferred it over to my Trust wallet, and then I swapped it for Time, and it was actually very inexpensive compared to Ethereum. So Time Wonderland and the Avalanche network is very inexpensive to get into. I think it has a lot of potential, and in this channel I'll be tracking my gains. So I invested about 1,000 after fees and swapping and transactions and staking. I probably had invested somewhere around like 950 or somewhere around those lines, or 940 Time Wonderland coins after fees and transactions. And after 1 week, I was able to make that investment into about $1,040. So currently right now, I have about a 40% return on my investment, including fees. So it's been very efficient. I just wanted to talk about this. It's a very efficient coin. It's very easy to get into. And if you guys want to see how I use Trust Wallet, I know a lot of people use Metamask, and you have to set up the network and then put the coin. I like Trust Wallet because to me it's a lot easier. That wallet is already configured for multiple networks. It understands and reads multiple networks, so you don't have to set up the network, but you do have to set up the coins sometimes. They're not automatically there. So let's just take a look into my position. If you guys would like to see a tutorial how I use my Trust Wallet, for me it's just easier than Metamask. How I use Trust Wallet to buy these altcoins and DeFi coins. I use all the coins and DeFi coins and these DAO projects on my Trust Wallet. So let me know if you guys want to check that out. So this is where I stand right now. We have 2 hours and 10 minutes for the next rebase. What's great about this is that it automatically restakes your APY. So this is all the rage right now. Time Wonderland is giving you a APY of 71,000%, which is completely ridiculous. And the way they calculate this is that I think it's about every 8 hours or 6 hours, they give you a yield return here. So in 2 hours and 10 minutes, they're going to give me a return of 0.000955 memories, which is the coin they give you once you stake your time. But once you unstake, they give you back your time. They have it separate from time, just so that it's not the same coin. And when they're burning and rebalancing the coin, it's completely separate. So if you go to the documents here on the white papers, it explains it. I'll be completely honest, I haven't thoroughly read it. It is a little bit complicated since this coin is based on game theory and it's a fork off the Olympus DAO, which I can do a video on as well. That's a totally different conversation. But as of now, your return on your investment as of today, November 5th, you have a 5-day rate of giving you a 9.4179% return, and it splits it by intervals within 24-hour periods, and it pays you off this reward. What is great about this coin is that it pays you and it automatically compounds to your stake balance. So this is fantastic. It automates it for you. And if you get more coins, you can add into your stake. And basically with the two top hats here, means that you're staking. If you go in the white papers, it gives you a breakdown. And as long as people are bonding and minting here and staking, that's good for the network. I don't know the longevity of these kind of APYs. They're pretty wild. So just take that for a grain of salt. I don't know the longevity of these projects. In about 1 week, I'm up about 42%. So one strategy people can do, and if you'd like to get into this, is stake your coin. Once you make 100% return, take out your initial investment and let the rest ride for infinite amount of time. I like to, I'm like a long and hold guy. I don't like trading. So trading is very difficult, and I've seen that I've made more money just buying and holding. So it's a little bit more of a foolproof kind of a strategy, but you also need to know what you're investing on. You're not supposed to buy and hold meme shit coins, but you definitely could buy and hold projects that are meaningful and have potential. So if we do the math right now, I have 1.58711 memory staked here. And at this time here, right now, let me refresh this just to make sure we get the latest pricing. Right now, TIME Wonderland is currently trading at 9,321. So 7 days ago, I bought it. I think I bought it somewhere around 8,000, if I'm not mistaken. So I bought it somewhere down here. Let me take a look at the. Let me take a look here. I must have bought it somewhere like October 28th, 29th. So that would be somewhere. Oh, I actually bought it maybe around 7,000. I don't even remember. I'm not doing it for the gains. I'm doing it for the APY. I don't even look at the price. I'm obviously up 40% because I'm compounding my returns and the price is appreciating. So double header there, and it's currently working out for me here. And you can see right now it's kind of sideways trading between 9,434 and the low here just today is 8,789. And then you can see on the last 7 days, strong uptrend. I see it trending in social media a little bit more. I've seen it on TikTok as well. And if you take a look at the past 3 months, you see a huge spike here. I'm not sure what happened. And then it came back to its normal range, but now it's slowly climbing back up there. And it hit a high of, what is this here? Let's take a look here. 12,626. I don't know what happened here, but I definitely got in somewhere around over here, somewhere around this area. So I bought it at a great time. I honestly didn't even care what the price was. I just think it's a great crypto with the DAO, with Olympus being the original, and I think there's some good opportunity here with the ridiculous APY where you can size up. You get your initial investment out of the table as soon as possible and just let the rest ride. I only put $1,000. I definitely had more money to put into it, but I get very skeptical with these projects. I don't know. I traded crypto in 2018. I got the rug pulled underneath my feet, and it took several years for it to recoup. It was like 2017, 2018-ish. It took 3 years for it to recoup. So right now the party's fun and things are working out in the crypto space. You have a lot of people making a lot of money. But the problem is when the party ends, it ends for several years, and you're going to be bag holding. So I'm just a little skeptical about that, and it's a little tough. So this is Wonderland. Crypto is Wonderland Time. It's a great project. I can do full tutorials how to stake this coin if you like. Please write a comment down below. And let's do the math here just to see where I stand as of right now. Let's pull out the calculator. So we pull out the calculator. It's currently, I have the next rebase is in about 2 hours. So the rebase is when you get your compounded interest into your coin. And currently I have 158711 memory, and my next rebase is here. So let's do 0.158711 times, and let's look at the current price right now. Let's refresh it just to make sure it's the most current. It's 9,321. So we do 9,321. That's 9,321. And I currently have $1,479. So that's just in 1 week. I'm up almost 50% of my investment here. It's about 47 48% of my investment, which is phenomenal. I don't know when the party ends, but I will be updating on my positions here. I also have Clima, that's another one. I have less on that, and I also have Olympus, which I also have less on that. So I was trying to stake about $1,000 on Olympus, and with the Ethereum gas fees, I was only able to stake about $800, $840 worth of Olympus, and I got screwed with like $400 worth of Ethereum gas fees through SushiSwap and Coinbase and my wallet and approving the transactions. I got screwed. There's so many fees the first time you try to stake Olympus. So time is very efficient. It's very inexpensive to get in. It's super fast. And I think this is why we're seeing it outperform both Clima and Olympus. So it's performing much better than the other two that I do have staked. And I'm just going to write this out. I don't know if I'm going to take my initial investment once I double down, which will probably be at this rate in about a week or two at most. And I don't know if I want to take out my initial investment or just leave it for dead and just leave these $1,000 in there and just let it ride. So pretty interesting. I could do a little breakdown of the video if you like of TIME Wonderland. If you'd like to see that, let me know. And that's pretty much what I have for today. I'll be periodically making videos and updating my positions and just giving you guys my thought, because before I started buying this coin, I was looking through social media and YouTube and just hearing out what different people are saying and when they stake their coin and the risk factors. So I just want to do like a day-by-day play, how I feel about the coin and the risk factor and how I feel like I feel like I'm getting the rug pulled underneath my feet, or like if the ball's rolling and there's opportunities to go in heavy. If you're an aggressive investor, go in heavy and get out in about 2 weeks with your initial investment and let the rest ride. That's also an opportunity. So it's still very early on with these projects, and I haven't seen them fully very commercially talked about through different social media platforms. And we do have 19,000 people having time on the watch list. So that is pretty large. And I think the current market cap, it says fully diluted here, it's at 1.7 billion. But currently right now the market cap is around 519 million. I'm not exactly sure. Let's see. The CMC team has not verified the project's market cap. However, according to the project itself, reported CS is 55,994. Time has self-reported market cap of 519,000. Okay. So we're still not at the full capacity here, the fully diluted market cap. So still a long ways to go. So the coin could still slowly uptrend or stay around these areas between 5,000 and 10,000 before it gets fully diluted. So pretty interesting. I just wanted to share my thoughts on time, my experience. You can follow me along by subscribing, and I'll be talking about this every day. Or every other day as often as I can to give an update just to see how my account is doing, and also talking about other interesting projects. Thanks for watching. If you made it this far, make sure to hit the like and subscribe buttons down below, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.